guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, this is Marissa again. I hope everyone's doing okay. Today I'm going to show you this pocket page kit called Seize the Day. So let me show you some of the sample pages here that I created with this kit, and let's open the kit. So you'll see here on the cover page is a pattern paper, and I love this. I love how yellow and vibrant this pattern paper is. So here you go. It looks like a sun or a flower, however you want to look at them. Then of course these are the 3x4 cards that come with it. It's a flip-flop kind of day. And at the back, Bon Voyage. Then we have here Life is Better at Sea, and of course a journaling card at the back, Day at the Sea. And then here's a plain card, and then at the back we have another journaling card, Sun, and journaling card at the back. Day at the Sea again, another journaling card, and at the back is just a basic paper that you can put stuff on. Anchors. And then what happens on the boat stays on the boat. Find a beautiful place to drop your anchor. And again, another basic background over there. You are my sunshine. Swim the sea. Another journaling card. Summer, enjoy the sunshine. And then we have our 4x4 cards here. We have cruising, eat, sleep, play, repeat, and a basic background. Shake the sand from your shoes, but never from your soul. And this is such a cute thing, cute card. So and then we have here our 4x6s. Time flies when you're having fun, how through. Then you have a journaling card right here. And anchors again that you could decorate with your templates. Another journaling card. Ooh, I love how vibrant this is. Island time. You can cut this into strips, you guys. And then of course an orange background over there. This is the 4x8s coming up, or actually 6x4s. Oh, what am I saying? Those are 4x8s. That is so cute. Enjoy the summer, guys. And then we have the 4x12s. I love this one. And you'll see me use this one here, this particular paper here. Very basic backgrounds here that you could use for templates. And then we have some palm fronds here. Cute. I like that back too. And then here you can use this as a border. We travel not to escape life, but for life to not escape us. Cute. And then we have some huts and palm trees. That is so cute. I like this paper too. And then a basic background here. Fishes. Tropical fishes, and then a vibrant yellow background there. We're now here on our 6x12s. You see that? Bringing them closer to you guys so you can see the patterns. There you go. So we are going to be making a card here, a pocket page card here, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to work on them. So this is the whole kit, Seize the Day. And like I said, the card's coming up, so here you go. I already traced this, and I'm using the Journey 7 template, and I've already traced it over on this card here, just like so. And I've also traced it on this, what is it, 6x8 card. So what I can do is use the bottom two for a another pocket page card. And we have here the Highlight 8T, and I'm going to use the back of the cover sheet, the pattern paper. I'm also, remember I told you about this paper, so I cut it in half basically to make it into a 4x6. I've already cut out and inked the templates or the cutouts. And then right here, I'm just showing you that I didn't cut out the whole sun, if you will. And I'm just showing you how I'm inking it. So this is really easy to do. So I've decided not to put the full sun on the card. So I'm just using a bit of it, like maybe half of the template or half of that cutout that I did. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere this to be like our page title for the pocket page that we're gonna create. I'm only going to show you this time just this pocket card, and so I'm gonna go ahead and put it and adhere everything onto this paper and use the blue, the dark blue at the bottom, like it's the ocean or the water. So here you go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get the sun, putting it up at the top corner, top right hand corner. And you see how I'm gonna do this is I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out. So I'm cutting right here. I just wanted to make sure too that it's okay up front, that it is straight. So cutting the other half, and there you go. So now I'm ready to ink it. Ink around the edges. And there you go, guys. I hope you like this card. And if you do like it, please thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. Bye!